back to the class. So we have finished our classes, all the lessons we have learnt, and in these classes we are doing the revisions. So let us recall all the concepts which we have learned in the previous class, and we learn step by step, one by one, neatly, and we will practice it. So every day, please practice whatever we are sending through the videos. Please children, and now in today's class our concept is multiplication table. So you all know the multiplication table, and some children they will every day they recall the multiplication tables at home. So please revise these tables and practice the tables at home. So what are these multiplication tables and how do we write and count it and how to represent them, that we will learn in this class. So here I had drawn some stars on the board. So here we have the stars. In one box we have two stars. So we had written it as two stars. So that means in one group we have two stars. So in one group of two stars is a 2. That means one group, two stars. We call it as a one group of 2 is 2. And then we write it as 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. I'll show you once again. We will write one group of stars into two stars in one group, which equals to 2. That means in one group we have a 2 stars, which equals to the 2 stars. You will read this as 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 2's are 2. You will read it as an, or else you can also read it as 1 2's are 2. 1 2's are 2. This is a table. So, I mean, this is how you will write the multiplication tables. So, like that, we will write in the groups, one by one in the groups we will write. For example, we have taken example of one group. So first group you will write it as 2 stars in one group. Then which group it is? First group, one group, and this is a x. This x represents the symbol of multiplication. You all know that. So you will write it as now. Firstly children, you will write 1 and you represent the symbol of multiplication as an x. And then we write the number of stars present in the group, that is 2. We will put a is equal to sign, and then we write it as in one group we have a 2 stars, write it as 2. Next we have 2 groups of 2 stars, 2 groups, 2 stars in each group, that we will represent this as a 2 into 2 groups of stars into 2 stars in each group, and we write it as a 4. So when you count down also, you get the 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. First you write the number of groups and then you can write the number of stars present in the group. So which equals to the total number of stars is the 4. So that is, we read it as 2 2's are 4. Next comes 3 groups of stars. So write 3 groups of stars, put into sign, and each group has a 2 stars. So each group has a 2 stars. So write it as 2. And now multiply 3 2 times is 6. Next comes 4 groups of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each groups you have a 2 stars. So you will write it as a 4 groups into 2 stars, which equals to total number of stars are 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Next you have a 5 groups of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write it as a 5. Put into multiplication symbol. Then number of stars in each group are 2. Write 2. Put is equal to. Now you multiply 5 2 times r. That means 5 times 2 is r. 10. Next comes number 5. 5 after is 6. So take it as a 6. Put the multiplication symbol into, and in each group you have a 2 stars, which is seen in the group. Write it as a 2. Put is equal to symbol, and 6 times 2's are 12. Next 6 after comes seventh group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh group, write it as 7, put the multiplication symbol, and number of stars in the groups are 2, which is equal to, so here we have, if you find here, the number 2 is increased, that is 12 plus 2, that is 14. Next you have 8 groups of stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each 8 groups you have a 2 stars. You will write it as number of groups as an 8 and number of stars in each group in 8 groups, which equals to 16. 8 2 times are 16. Read it as 8 2 times are 16. Next you have 8 after, so we write a number 9, that is 9 groups of stars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down the 9 and put them into multiplication symbol, and in each group you have a 2 stars. So write it as it is. How we have written in the previously, how we are writing the same thing, write it here also, and then when you multiply here again number 2 is increased. So 6. Next 2 numbers means it is 18. Next comes 9 after, that is 10. So 10 group of stars. In each group you have 2 stars. So 10 into, so number of stars is 2. So write it as 2. Put is equal to sign. That 10 2 times is 20. All together when you count this, here we have a 20 stars. Write it as a 20. So 10 times are 20. So children, look here. Look into the board here. So we have written all this multiplication tables in this form. So this is a